everyone, I'm back with another segment which is मुझको पहचान लो. 27 Jan. Aquarian. A lot of them. I have Bhu, I have Bhumi, Bhumu, then I have Babu, and then I have Kuchu, and then Baby Boo. A lot of them. So I think my family calls me Bhumi, and my mom used to call me Chidiya. So yeah, I think. Graduate Arts. That was when I was 16. It was my first show. Saath Fere. Saath Fere. Ranveer Singh, Amir Khan, and I think I have a huge liking for Shah Rukh Khan. Alia Bhatt. Ghar ka khana, whatever it is, ghar ka khana. And if I have to go for cuisines, I think I love Chinese a lot. Favorite dessert would be more of kulfi and ice creams. I hate sweets. Not hate, but I'm not a fan of sweets. I love kulfi. I hate dark chocolates, normal milk chocolates, I think, and ice creams. Yeah. Black. You can't just get inspired by one. I think you have different हर एक इंसान में ना आप एक अच्छी चीज़ ढूंढते हैं जब भी आप किसी को मिलते हैं. So supposedly Ranveer Singh is one of the actors that I look upon to because he has immense energy. He has a different aura. He never gets tired, I guess. He has his positive vibe. So I picked that up from him. Then maybe Amir Khan is a perfectionist. He has his own way of doing things. He wants everything perfect. Whatever he performs is from his heart. So I picked that up from him. So I don't think so I have one inspiration person or inspirational character in this whole thing. But then I think I get inspired with, as in many people I meet, as in when I, walk ahead in my life. So I think depends. I think my agenda in life is just to be happy and content in whatever I'm doing. I shouldn't be worried or stressed about anything. I think I'm pretty much happy in my life right now. So I think वही एक agenda होना चाहिए. खुश रहना agenda सबका होना चाहिए. No, my kind of music is completely based on my mood. So I don't really go for one specific genre. But then I think I like more of old school hip hop. I like romantic Bollywood songs. Then comes a lot of country songs and pop songs and everything. So it depends on my mood. कि मेरा mood जो होगा उस हिसाब से I'll listen. But I'm very comfortable. I'm very comfortable with my jeans, my pants, and a nice crop top. I think I'm very comfortable with that. I think I'd say a lot of okay. And now I've started saying gajab also a lot. Like हर एक चीज़ में गजब वो automatically निकल जाता है आजकल. Depends on which brand because perfume I have another brand. So I think with perfumes I'm obsessed with VS and Elizabeth Arden. So yeah, these two brands are wow. Honestly, I had no aim in life. I still don't. There are no backup plans. But yeah, I know that I'm pretty much kind of content in my life right now because I know that I somehow will make my way out. So I think I'm educated enough. I have my own experiences which will help me move on in life. I may figure out something. That's fine because I think so I'm a weird one because I don't have a backup plan at all. So I think that is okay. We just have one life. You enjoy. It would be a lead opposite Ranveer Singh or Amir Khan. Everyone. Everyone, I think depends on एक तो सब लोग साथ में shoot नहीं कर पाते हैं. We have different days and different units when we shoot. So, in my room it's when we have time, I think it's Monu Mahua, the ones who play my on-screen brother and sister. I think they're always with me. Then there's Jatin Diamond. I'm very close to him. And then Priyanshu Tunne. He is my on-screen and off-screen best friend as well. So I think we gel up very well. I mean, हम लोग हमेशा रहते ही हैं. बाकी also, I have a very good bonding with them. But then the thing is that they're all occupied so much that we don't get time to talk. But जब एक बार मिल लेते हैं, कहीं 5-10 मिनट बैठ जाते हैं तो फिर उठते ही नहीं है. And then the ADs have a lot of problem in getting us out. So work comes first, so I'd say. I enjoyed it. I loved this segment. I think we should have more of these.